Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
So in today's video, I'm going to be doing 5 different nail designs that you can do for Valentine's Day. So either you can follow along with me, or you can take them for nail inspiration if you are getting your nails done for Valentine's Day. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so here are the nails I'm going to be using today. They are just full cover tips or full cover nails. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to be doing all my designs on. So I already went ahead and did a couple steps of our first nail design. On this nail, we're going to be doing chrome hearts. I painted 2 coats of white polish and then I did a matte top coat over it, just so when we do put the chrome powder over, it's not going to stick to the background. So for this design, I'm going to be using these 3 chrome powders. So I'm going to be using this silver one, this pinkish one, it's kind of like fuchsia, and then just this red one. You can do all 3 of them together, you can just do one, it's totally up to you. So for this step, I'll just pull this aside. I'm just gonna be using a tray just to put all my stuff on. I'm just gonna be using a base gel and putting that on my tray. Depending on how big you want the hearts, I'm just gonna be making them medium size. I'm just gonna be using my dotting tool on this brush. And all you wanna do is just make 2 dots. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit more of that base gel. It's kind of hard to see this, but then you just want to drag down those 2 little dots into a heart. Like that. It's going to be really hard to see, but you'll be able to see it when I put the chrome over top of it. And then I'm just going to do the same down the whole nail. So there we go. And then you're just gonna pop that into the light. It's so hard to see. Okay, so now that that's cured, we're gonna I'll take red first. And usually these little brushes, they're like makeup brushes, they come with the chrome powder. So you just take some, I've seen people use their hands with gloves and stuff. You can do that as well. I'm just going to put the chrome powder on this heart because that's where I want it to be. Don't worry about being messy in this step because we're gonna go back and clean up the edges and everything. Okay, so it looks super messy right now. I'm just going to take a brush and just brush off some of the excess chrome powder. What I like to do is actually put top coat only on the hearts, and then I take alcohol and rub off the excess. I think it leaves a cleaner finish. So this is what you do. You just take a lint-free wipe and then you put some alcohol on it and you just rub it off, and it takes off all that excess chrome. And look at that. You can do this over whatever color background you want, but I just chose white. And then you can either leave it with the matte in the background, or you can top coat the whole entire thing and make it all shiny. So that's our first nail design. And at the end of the video, I will do a close-up and a little video of all of the nails, so I'll get a better look at that nail. For the second nail design, I already went ahead again and just did the base of it. On this one, we're gonna be doing lips all over the nail, just like this one, but with lips. I already did a base of this. I did 2 coats of this color, just a nude. And then I did a matte coat over top because I actually want the lips to look 3D. So we're gonna be doing acrylic powder over top of the lip. So I'll show you guys how to do that. But first, the colors I'm gonna be using are this hot pink. The bottle is super messy, so please excuse that. And then this color by McCart, it's in the color Blush Pink. I love this color. And then I actually went ahead and mixed them together and made a third color because I just wanted 3 colors instead of 2, so that's what that color is. Okay, let's start off with the hot pink. This is when you have to know when to stop because the more I'm touching it, the more it's just... I'm gonna restart. This is what I do a lot of the time. I always just overthink stuff and I restart a lot. That's why a lot of my nails take a long time because I think too much into it. Okay, let's try and make them a little smaller. I mean, I can't promise anything, but do those look like lips? That is the question. Okay. Let's try it one more time. Oh my god. Okay, let's try it with a different color. Let's see if that changes anything. I'm just gonna be taking this acrylic powder, just a clear acrylic. What you wanna do is just take some and pour it over top of your design. And then just tap off the excess, and then it should look like that, and then you just put that in the light. All right, so now once it's out of the light, it's cured, so you can just brush off the acrylic powder. So anyways, that's what it looks like. It's like a rough texture. I'm just gonna quickly do it with the rest of the colors and then I will be back.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
So I finished up that nail and I like how it turned out. You can kind of see how it's kind of rough on the surface. I really like it. So for our third design, I'm gonna do a flame heart. I just, again, went ahead and did the background because I figured that you guys didn't want to see me do just paint white. Well, for this design, I'm just gonna use a red. I think I'm gonna stick with this one. Look how nice this red is. It's by McCart again in the color Scarlet. I love this red. For this one, it's just basically a flame design, but then with the heart in the middle. I thought it was really pretty. I actually saw this on TikTok, so I will put the girl's TikTok up on the screen right now because I saw it from her. So anyways, okay, let's get this out of the way. All right. She does it perfectly, so I'm hoping I can get somewhat similar to that. we're gonna try and do the heart. I'm just gonna go back in with a white and really define the lines. After touching this up a couple times, I finally got it to where I like it. So there you go, that's the flaming heart. For our fourth design, I'm gonna do a French tip with these new jewels that I got. I got these new jewels and they have really big heart jewels, so I thought I would try that out. I just did the nude background, but I will do the French on camera. I still try and practice doing French tips because it can be sometimes hard to get them to be really even. But what I do that may help you if you guys are trying to learn doing French tips or just practicing, I like to kind of pinpoint where I want my dip to be, so that's the lowest point. Some people actually mark off on the sides where they want, how far up they want their lines to be, which I sometimes do, but I'll probably go past that up on the sides. So I'm just gonna start with this side and I just am gonna drag that point up to here. I like to go fairly high on the French nails, and then I flip the nail upside down so I get a good angle, and then I just do the other side. I'm just gonna take this and start filling it in like this. It just takes up less time. Then I just take this brush and see how it's kind of blotchy. I just go in with this brush and just kind of, I'll drag it down to the bottom. Yeah, that's kind of how I do my French tip. Oh no. I don't think I was recording on this phone. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure they're even, and then once they are, I'm just gonna put them under the light. And this is what it looks like after curing it. So I really like that. If you like more of a blinged out design, this is totally a pretty design to do. For our final nail design, I've done this a couple times in the past and I'm really excited to share because I actually really like how it turns out. It's more of like definitely a more detailed nail art. I'm going to do a chocolate dipped strawberry. I think I might do this red. Yeah, this is like a deeper red. So I'm just gonna do a couple coats of this off camera and then I will be back. I'm gonna take a black and this is going to be our little seeds. Yeah, I'm just gonna use a brush for this. I'm just gonna take a little bit of black and put little seeds everywhere. And then I'm only really gonna go down to here because this part is gonna be brown for the chocolate. I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of yellow. Just go right over the seeds. Just gonna take the red that I've been using, and this will be kind of hard to see. Build it up so it kind of looks a little 3D. Kind of make hexagons around the seeds, but not perfect, just kind of messy. I'm actually gonna do that for a second time just because I really want to make it look 3D. So I'm just gonna do that over again with the same red. So I am gonna do a third coat of a color, but it's not gonna be the same red. I actually mixed a little bit of purple with that red and then a little bit of white. And this will be our highlight to our strawberry. So I'm just going to lightly go back over the, I guess, ridges or little high points of our strawberry. So I'm pretty happy with how that looks. Okay, so that's it for our strawberry, the top part. Now I'm just gonna put the chocolate on. For the chocolate, I'm just going to take a brown color. I'm just going to put it all on the bottom. And I'm gonna do that a couple more times and just cure it in between. Okay, and that's how it should look. If you want it, you can make it go higher. You can make it kind of go higher on one side. You can do it even less than that. Totally up to you. And now for the last step, for the, I don't know really what you call it, just a kind of white chocolate over top, I'm just gonna use spider gel. If you don't have spider gel, you can totally just use white polish and just kind of put it over top like this. For this last step, it's the top coat. So I'm actually just gonna do a matte top coat on the chocolate. So, because chocolate dries matte. So I'm gonna just matte top coat this. And then I'm going to do a glossy top coat on the rest for the strawberry. Okay, and that's how that one looks. Okay, so that's all the designs complete. And I will take a video outside in the natural light just to kind of show you guys what it looks like, and I'll pop up pictures as well as videos. So yeah, I just wanted to say also, if you guys do like any of these designs, I do make press-on nails, and I will be making some for Valentine's Day coming up. And I just thought I would do like a little discount code at the end of this video just because it is my first video. And also, if you did stay till the end, thank you for watching. If you do want a set of press-on nails, if you made it to this part, I will put up a little discount code. You can just DM me this code and you will get 14% off because it is Valentine's Day on the 14th, so you can get 14% off of your press-on nails. So yeah, just DM me and we'll figure out a Valentine's Day set. This little discount code that I have won't work after Valentine's Day. You can just DM me it. It's nothing major, but just thought I'd do something for Valentine's Day and also just for, because it is my first video. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my first video, and I'm hoping to make a few more of these videos every once in a while, just showing kind of designs or any other videos that I really think of as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.